Breaking the Wall of Invisible Pollution, Ivonne Rodríguez Ramírez, Falling Walls Lab, Costa Rica.
Hi, everyone. Can we break a wall made out of something that we can't see? Let me begin by telling you something that happened just a month ago. I was practicing for this very talk with my business partner, who is also one of my closest friends. And a few minutes into our meeting, I felt panic like never before when I saw her having a seizure out of nowhere. A few days later, she was diagnosed with epilepsy, and now she has to strictly take 2 pills every day. The thing is that most of those pills are going to become pharmaceutical pollution, because that's what happens when we take medication. Up to 90% of the bioactive chemical compounds eventually leave our bodies, reaching our rivers and even our drinking water. And this pollution that comes from our relief, it's an invisible problem that it's harming the life of non-target species, but it's also contributing to the antibiotics resistance crisis. And it's so invisible that in a survey, 100% of the people didn't know that they could ingest traces of medication in the water they drank. Did you know? No. Thanks for the answer. And we can't stop taking our medicines, even though this is a very concerning environmental issue. That's why my team and I created a brand new technology surrounding nature's best decomposers, fungi. They have powerful enzymatic machineries that allows them to break down complex molecules in the wild. But what if that same enzymatic power could also target the pollutants and break them into non-harmful particles? Let me savor this moment because I've been waiting a long morning to say this. I present you BioCap 450 by BioFun. This is how we are breaking the wall of invisible pollution. BioCap 450 sees the contaminants invisible to our eyes and degrades them with the power of selected fungi, being one of the first biotechnological filters capable of cleaning the water from this pollution. To develop it, we make beads of a rich matrix, whereby its purification, the mycelium, which is the body of the fungus, is encapsulated. These have pores up to 200 nanometers in diameter, and we designed it this way so the mycelium can be retained and the extracellular enzymes secreted to the water. The beads are then put in this protective capsule that also allows an uninterrupted water flow. And if you close it and you put it underwater, it would be ready to do its job. At the end of the day, water is life. We have it in our bodies. So let's have a clean one, a healthy one. We love science, right? So let's use this technology to have science as that tool that we use together to break the wall for pharmaceutical invisible pollution. Thank you.